Hi guys and welcome to my video, and in this video I'm going to speak about bear put spread strategy, which is a great strategy in bearish market. It's a very low risk strategy and a high reward strategy, and I'm also going to speak about why you should do this strategy in the first place itself. Why not just go long puts instead of doing this strategy? And I'm also going to speak about what's the right time to do this strategy and discuss few high probability setups along with position sizing. So let's begin. So this is a quick explanation of this strategy. It's a bearish strategy. So whenever you expect the market to fall, you can execute this strategy, but we'll discuss how. The max risk in this strategy is limited so that you don't have to worry about placing stop losses. You don't have any fear of random spikes hitting your stop losses since you can hold it till the end. The max profit in this strategy is also limited. It's a debit strategy. It's a debit strategy, which simply means that the premium you paid is more than the premium you received. Now, when to use this strategy? This strategy is only to be used when you expect moderate bearishness. Now, the word moderate is very important here. If you are heavily bearish on the market, you can just go long puts or short futures. Why should you do this strategy? This strategy should only be done when you're moderately bearish on the market or on any instrument, whatever you are trading. And we'll also discuss about it further. So first of all, I'll speak about the advantages of this strategy. Why should we do it? It has lower cost as compared to long put. Now when you go long put, you can either place stop loss, which has a risk of hitting in case if there is any spike, and if you hold a long put till the expiry, and if it doesn't work out, it just goes to zero. You lose everything, you lose all the premium you have paid. So this strategy has a lower cost as compared to long put. The risk is lower. Now this point is something which we already spoke about. This is a limited risk strategy and the risk is lower than just going long put. It is suitable during high volatility environment as it reduces stop loss hunting. Now so many times it happens that when you buy options, your stop loss hits immediately. When you use this strategy, the chances of that significantly reduces because you are going to hold it till the end as the max risk is limited. And the risk is also lower than just going long inputs. And mind you, this is an option selling strategy and not an option buying strategy. Other thing is maximizing profits from long put. Now what do I mean by that? We'll discuss later. Less margin required. One of the biggest benefit is that the margin required is extremely less. If you do this strategy with a single lot, you might have to pay 14 or 15,000 rupees. And now we'll speak about the disadvantages. Limited profit as downside is capped due to short put. Now this strategy involves buying a put and selling a put simultaneously, buying at the money put and selling an out of the money put. What happens is that if you have sold a very nearby put and the market crosses that, so then it goes in the money, so your profit becomes limited. So that is one disadvantage, and this is the reason why I told that you have to be moderately bearish on the market and not extremely bearish. If you're extremely bearish, just go and buy puts. Otherwise, you can do this strategy. And this is something which I just spoke now. Position sizing. Position sizing. You only have to use 10% of your capital when you are trading this strategy. You don't have to use more than that. So suppose if you are trading with 5 lakh, you just have to use 50,000 as margin for this strategy, which is approximately 3 lots. You don't have to exceed the 10% rule. Since we are holding it till the end, we don't have a stop loss on this strategy, so it's important that we control the position sizing. So I'll show you an example of monthly options. You can do this on any instrument. You can do this on stocks, index, anything you like. So we'll just see where the market is. As we can see, Nifty is at 15,856. And for example, I expect bearishness a moderate bearishness. So let's say I expect Nifty to expire below 15,800 but above 15,400, which is a good support here, at the end of August series. I'll say it once more. At the end of August series on August expiry, which is 26th of August, I expect Nifty to expire below 15,800 but above 15,400. So in this case, I would like to do a bear put spread. So let's just see. So this is the option chain of Nifty. And to play out my bearish view, first of all, I will just buy 15,800 put, which is trading at 172 rupees. And I will short 15,400 put, which is trading at 70 rupees. Now the most important thing is that you have to buy at the money put option or near at the money put option. But the option which you short, it has to be the one where you think the market is not going to go. Otherwise, it does not make sense. I've seen so many people do pair put spread and they randomly sell option. Example, they buy a 15,800 put at the money option and they will sell 15,700 put. They will sell 15,750 put. They will sell 15,600 put. So they will randomly sell any strike. But as per me, you should only sell the strike which you think will go to zero. Only in that way you will maximize your profits. If you randomly want to sell any strike, then there is no point of doing this strategy. Then it's just better to go long naked put instead of doing this bear put spread. So only sell the strike which you think will go to zero so you maximize your profit. So don't go and sell randomly any strike. Now what benefit does this have? Let's say to a normal long put. So we'll just look at it. So here I'm going to speak about one high probability setup which works in range bound market. It works very well. So let's say if the market is in a range, market or a stock, anything. So this is the range, for example, and the market is moving like this inside a range. So what you can do is you can initiate a bear put spread near this point, near the resistance. It's a very high probable setup with a good risk reward ratio. The risk is very low and the reward is very high. And also you don't need to fear about unlimited losses because the losses will be very small. And suppose if the market breaks the resistance and it starts to goes up, it breaks out from here, so you can immediately exit. You don't even have to wait for the max loss in this strategy. You can exit with a small loss. So that is the benefit of doing the strategy in a range bound market near the resistance, which is a very high probable setup. So here I'll just buy 15,800 put. I'll short 15,400 put. So this is how the graph looks like. The maximum risk is 5,148 rupees. Profit is approx 15,000 rupees, which is excellent. So it's approximately 1 is to 3 risk reward, which is excellent. But you only have to do this with 10% of your capital and not more than that. The margin required for one lot is 15,000, but don't just start doing this strategy if that's all you have. You need to have at least 5 lakh capital to do such kind of strategies. This is not the only strategy you are going to do. So how can we compare this to a long put? Let's just see. I'll remove this sold put as of now. So in a long put, the maximum loss is 8,600 rupees, which is the entire premium. And if the market goes extremely down, the profit is also unlimited. But such things happen rarely. It does not happen every now and then. So let's say if I buy this naked put option and the market expires at 15,500. So in this case, my profit will be 6,000 rupees at the end of expiry. But in this case, if I sell a 15,400 put, I don't think 15,400 will come in my example. So in this case, if I sell 15,400 put, I can pocket that entire premium. So let's see how much will we make. Sold one lot. Now I see if the market expires at 15,500. Now we can see I stand to make 9,200 rupees as compared to 6,000 rupees when I just went long put. So this is the benefit of a bear put spread. You should only sell the options which you think will go to zero, where you think the market will not go on expiry day. So that is the whole point of doing this. And there's no fixed rule. You can sell any put as per your view. So let's say if you sell 15,200 put. So here you have maximum risk as 6,400 and the maximum profit is 23,000. So you can play around with this, but only sell the option where you think the market is not going to come. If it does come there, it is not a big deal. The option which you have sold will give you loss, but the other option will give you profit. So you will be a net profit. So it's not a big deal. So this is how you do a bear put spread. It has an excellent risk reward ratio, and I hope you learned something from this video. Thanks for watching.